There's our sausage cooking. There's our bagels, or what are they?
McMuffins.
Muffins. Not McMuffins, muffins.
English muffins.
She always calls them McMuffins. Okay, there's them. And she's fixing to do us some eggs. Alright. Ooh, them babies are hot. Oh yeah, she just started our eggs. So we're going to have a sausage, egg, and cheese muffin.
Wow.
And there's the eggs. We're going to put them babies together and have us some breakfast. Oh, look at that. That's better than you're going to get at McDonald's. Guarantee you that. Look at that. Hope y'all have a good day.